Hello fams, welcome back to Humble Effects. And today we're talking about the masterclass, the 14 days masterclass we did last time. Even though the class is still actively on right now, whereby we attend to questions and attend to people in that place. Right now, you could see this is a small account that we're trying to grow. This is a small account we are trying to grow. So let me show you a testimonial of what is happening in that particular class, so you know that we are not playing right over here. We're not playing here. This is the class, and you see this is the trade. I sent it right here. You see, this is a student, what they are making here. Look at the resultant. They took a trade. This guy took an entry right here, and he was holding it based on what I've learned. And look at, he has made a lot of profit with it. Look at that. You have this, though this is a practice, though I don't know if it's a real account, but this is what has been happening right over here, and we are getting a lot and lots of that. Look at it. This is what I'm learning in this class. So in this video, I want to reveal to you the secret, so that you too can be able to be making such amount of money even on a daily basis. This is a real account. You could see that this live accounts, and we are making it big right here, right? So that you too will know how to do this on your own. Okay, so I will release the video. These classes here we have a video recorded for it. So if you want to join this class, you want to be in this class and also get to know what is happening right here in this place, you get free entries, free trade signals. Anytime I see a trade and I send it here, you will also be enjoying it. Okay, so you want to join this group and to be getting maybe daily market lookouts and also classes and all that. So you can come to my DM and you go to join right there. The class is still active. We are going into day 7, I mean day 8. But the good news is that the videos here, all the classes we have done so far, they have a video record. So you have missed nothing. You have missed virtually nothing. You will see how we are making the market. You will see how we are making the market right here, right? You will see how it is happening, and see students are trying to analyze my charts. So they're trying to actually interpret what the chart is all about. So see that is improvement. So if you have a class whereby you interact with others, I bet you learn faster. That so the class is very affordable, very cheap. Is you don't have to pay you don't have to pay in thousands. You just pay a few token of dollars, and you be in this place. Imagine if you are making $10 or $20 or $100 every single day. Imagine how much that could be for you. The good news is that the amount you are paying, look at the free trade, free materials they are getting rare for the token that they are paid. So you too can be a member of that. Now this is a trade that we took, and it went very well. All right, so you can get access to this class only. See students trying to do a practice of what they learned. Okay, you can get access to this group, this particular group, with just few dollars you are going to pay, and you'll be among those that are learning and equipping themselves with knowledge and understanding. It's just simple, guys. It's that simple. So you don't have to be afraid of loss any longer. You don't have to be afraid of losing. And that, look at the trade. Even though the trade, we want to hold it for some time. We want to hold it for some time, right? So we don't want to close right now. We want to hold it for some more minutes. Okay, right? That is why we are holding this trade. All right, so we don't fear. Even though it go against us, we have a stop loss in place. So once that hits, we go out of the market. We don't want to be there. So loss is not something that we are afraid of, because we have a stop loss set. All right, so guys, enjoy this video, and don't forget, don't miss this class. Do not miss this opportunity at this point. Once this class is done, the videos I will create the remaining class shortly, maybe a few days from now, or by tomorrow I'll start to create the next. We'll be going into the next class. So for to be among and to be asking questions while we proceed, then you have to join the class right at the moment, so you could actually get the information that you need to get. Remember, questions are answered here. Questions are welcomed. You can ask questions in this class, and I'll attend to them when I have at my free time. I will attend to them, and that's what I've been doing, and it is very, very awesome. Remember also, if you are coming for account management, is still available. You can come in, and the profit shares is half, so you don't have fear of losses and all that. So if you want to do account management, you are still welcomed, and the class is also available for grab. Right, at the moment it is on a discount, which is still active right now, so you don't want to miss out of this active discount period. All right, join us and learn what to do, learn the skill, and you know what to look out for. When you open the chart, you know what to look out for. All right, so guys, it's Humble FS right here, and until then, I remain Humble FS. So watch out for the next indicator. I told you guys in the last video that I will give you guys a free indicator very soon, and watch out. Maybe in the next video I'll create a video for that indicator, and as usual, it will be a free indicators. It will be on my Telegram channel. So to get access to that indicator or my free bot, you must be a subscriber of this channel, and you must be a member of my Telegram channel. All right, so for that, then I'll send the indicator in the Telegram channel, whereby anyone can access, everyone that is in there can access it for free. You don't pay a dime. All right, get knowledge. You want to get the knowledge that you need, because some people don't have the knowledge and they want to make money in the market. So get the knowledge first. The knowledge is all what you need, and after the knowledge, then you could see what I did here. This is what we expect to market. If you just see my trend, this is my analysis here. Those that are in my class will understand what I just did here, and they will take pure advantage. They will know what is here. All right, so you want to be that person that you will see your chart and you know the next thing to do. Then this class is actually meant for you. So don't miss out. Do not even try to miss out. All right, don't let that $50 that you are going to pay distract you from getting into the class, because it is less worth to what you're going to get, because even before the class ends, you must have made back that money in foods, not in just in, you must have made your money back in foods from the free entries I'll be dropping. I'm dropping in the chat in the group sometimes of the day. So I remember remember, and please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, comment in the comment section, and also feel free to share the video and send to your family and friends, so that YouTube will recommend our videos to others to help life as well. All right, enjoy your day, and see you in the next video. Enjoy.